YouTube. Back at it again with another one, family. Let's go. Now as we start this off, we come in with about 1/4 of an onion that we dice up, right? Let's get those into some nice, decent sized bites. Just watch the knife work, watch the knife work. Always make sure you keep your fingers away from the blade, people. Safety first. Now here we have a tomato that we're gonna use half of. We're gonna do the same basic process, just cutting these up small enough to a decent size, and that's that. A common occurrence that happens is when you buy scallion fresh, the ends do kind of go bad when you don't use it for a while, right? So you just want to take those ends off, and then we cut off the bottom half. Then we begin to dice this up as well. Now to a hot pan, we just add back in our ingredients, which is the scallion, the onion, and the tomato. And we just, let this saute for a while until the onions become brownish. Now once everything is in a pan sauteed, we get to our bully beef, AkA corned beef, right? It's one of the fun things you do as a kid, right? You make sure you have, if you don't have a key, you get some pliers. If you don't have some pliers, there's other methods. You can use a nail clipper or whatever, but So when we get this open, we empty the contents into the pan with the rest of our ingredients. And then we just get everything incorporated, folded in so nothing burns on the bottom, because we're not adding any more oil to this. Corned beef has enough oil in it as it is. So we're going with some black pepper, about a teaspoon. Then we add in 1 Scotch bonnet. Careful not to burst the Scotch bonnet, people. Then we add 1 cup of water. Then we add about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending on your liking, of ketchup. Then we incorporate everything, get all the ketchup and things submerged in the liquid, because this is coming out gravy. Now just to show you guys how to cut up an avocado or pear, what we call it. You just go around, make sure your knife hit the pit, then you just twist it until it becomes loose, right? Then you just take your knife, you stick it in the pit, you twist it, and the seed come right out. Now this process is optional, this is like a cross cut, but you don't have to do that at all, right? But I choose to do that because I'm accustomed to it. And then you just take your spoon and retrieve the flesh. Now most people, go with rice and like cabbage or whatever, but you can go either kind of way with any starch. So made some fried dumpling for this, right? If you don't know how to make fried dumpling, please click the icon at the top right hand corner of the video to direct you to the video to show you how to do this. But here we are, man. This is pretty much it. This is the end result. Bully beef and fried dumpling. Thanks for watching. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Till next time, bless.